Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options. And today is a special video. You guys told in the comments that you want to see the challenge from $1 to $100,000, and I throw it over and I want to say why not, guys? Let's go and try to get this out now. I got $1 on my balance here and we can get down to trading, but obviously this is gonna be the first episode from the cycle. So because it's virtually impossible to make $100,000 out of one just for one trading session, so let's get started, guys. I've picked out the following indicators. The RSI period for 5 is used, the super trend and the fractal. So during this video you will learn how to succeed in trading using these indicators and you'll understand the principle of my strategy. So let's get down to trading, guys, and find the first counter pair. Well, let's analyze what do we got here, and we open a long position here and select the workspace. This is our first trade in the framework of our challenge. We see that the RSI is currently in the oversold zone, that's why we're expecting a breakout. The super trend indicates that we should open long. We also see a good correction here. And here we see a good touch of the support zone, that's why we're gonna expect the breakout to the upside. And let's watch the outcome, guys. There are literally 20 seconds left before the closing. Overall, the upper dynamics prevailed in the zone and we are gonna wait for the breakout. Let's just watch the price movement, guys. And our position had been closed with a profit, guys. Let's put down all the money here, carry on our trading and find the next counter pair. So continue the analysis. I guess you know, I can't even tell you for sure where we're gonna stop today. Overall, I am fine with the market behavior. Here probably the best course of action would be to open a long really on the super trend. The position to the upside just flashed, I mean our green moving average. And generally we can conclude that the local high is way above the current price movement and the breakout of the zone is very likely to happen, guys. And the price should go even higher in the future. So exactly as I predicted, guys, the price went up. Most likely the super trend has helped us out here to detect the straight entry and we open a long because of its showing up here. However, if it weren't for this indicator, we could open a short here in theory because the support zone take place here. But anyway, a perfect trade entry and our position is in a profit, guys. Let's update the trade amount and carry on our trading session. So let's continue, guys. Pick out the next trade entry and how we see good correction to the downside, then why not? Let's open a long here, following the trend direction. Great impulse to the downside, and I'm sure that it will lead to a new impulse to the upside. The support trend is also telling us about the upper dynamics, and overall we are gonna watch the continuation of the trend. And there we go. I think this is the right trade entry here. We analyze this correction perfectly and there are around 20 seconds left before the close. And there we go. Meanwhile, we got $6 on our balance. Let's put down all the money here and continue our trading session. We are not gonna drag this out. We will pick out the next counter pair and carry on the analysis. Here we see the touch of the resistance zone and the updating of the local high. For now, we are not gonna open here. And here a potential reversal seems to be happening in theory. So why not? Let's open a long position, guys. In theory, we understand the RSI dynamics. The crossing of the oversold zone is happening and impulse to the upside should follow up. Here also the updating of the local low, and basically we could have seen a correction or small pullback like right here. And why not, guys? Let's try to play out this moment and open a long position. So let's change the trade amount and carry on our trading. Pick out the next counter pair. Well, here I see a potential long position. So there we go, we open a long position following the trend direction, why not? Overall, he reached a good dynamics on the RSI, the upward dynamics that took place early one. Then a little, I mean quite good correction to the downside. Here the support trend shows up from the support zone that indicates an opportunity to open a long, and I guess we're likely to see the continuation of the upward dynamics. That's why we open a long here, guys. We see this insane pump and there are 20 seconds left before the closing. Generally, if we see the super trend showing up, then we'd better open a position. Whether long or short, it depends on the color of the line. And basically we just follow the principle, open a trade and fix the profit, as simple as that, guys, and you can see the result by yourself. We are fixing the profit gain. Let's change the trade amount and continue our trading. Find the better trade entry. Well, let's consider something in here. Let's open a long here. We see that the RSI is the bottom and we are gonna wait for the breakout. Also, here we got a very good correction that seems to be over. The local low is gonna be updated at this point and the price should go up. Also, the upward trend tell us that it's more effective to open a long, and that's exactly what we did here, guys. We open a long position. Now here is downward dynamics prevails, but we got a nice trade entry also. The candle in red. There are 15 seconds left before the closing. Let's just watch the price movement. And our position hadn't closed with a profit. I have some trade entry just near the super trend line. So let's update the trade amount and continue our trading session. So what do we got here? Let's analyze. We have already opened a long here before. So we slow down here a little bit. Theoretically, here also a good correction, so yep. We open a long according to the trend direction. Here we got a nice touch of the support zone. Also the chart shows us good volume here and also good volume right here. So if we take a look at the super trend, then we'd better open a long. And then exactly what we did here, we open a long. Following the current trend, we are seeing a good breakout already and there are 30 seconds left before the closing. We are doing great, guys. We've got a nice pump here. And the best way to send me, guys, is to subscribe to the channel, put your like and leave a comment down below. I'm very happy guys, and it motivates me a lot to continue making content for you guys. So, and let's continue our trading session. We already got a nice profit from just a $1. And let's do that guys without thinking twice. We see that the RSI is in the oversold zone and it should go to the upside in theory. Let's also point out this touch, and it looks like a double bottom pattern, good correction to downside, also the updating of the local low. According to the fractal, and here is this position for long according to the super trend. And we followed all these recommendations and opened a long position. Also, we got a nice trade entry level, and there are approximately 15 seconds left before closing. Let's just watch guys. Last second, and the position is in a profit guys. Let's update the trade amount and carry on our trading session. Also, refresh the page, and we continue find another currency pair for the better trade entry. So, here we got a nice opportunity for opening a long. The future movement is gonna be to the upside, that's why we open a long guys. That's why we open the long guys. Upward dynamics takes place. The RSI could be rejected from the oversold zone in theory. Here we got a nice support zone. The super trend also tell us that the best option here is opening a long. It shows a horizontal line here. So we open the long following the trend direction. We see very low volatility, and let's focus on our position guys and continue. The position had been closed with a profit again. Like I said, we saw a low volatility, but the breakout eventually has happened and the position is in a profit. And let's open a final trade in order to consolidate the outcome. I think it's gonna be enough for today. So we open a final $220 position, and the continuation you will see in the next video. Let's find the final counter pair. Let's analyze everything as usual and open our trade. So we observe a nice pullback, that's why we open a short position here. So here we observe a nice pullback, that's why we open a short position here. The crossing on the RSI did happen here, the moving is going down, then we also see a nice correction. The fractal shows us the updating of the local high. It means that the following movements is gonna be to the downside. If we follow the logic, the super trend also shows that the price dynamics is gonna be to the downside, so we open a short position here following the trend. And overall, the volatility is not that high, so we're expecting the outcome. There are 10 seconds left before the closing. Let's just watch the price movement. And yep guys, we're in the profits again. There we go. That's what we've managed to achieve today. And this is where we stop guys. We opened so many good trades today and I'm okay with the outcome. And continuation you're gonna see in the next video. So we stop right here for today. Be sure to put your likes and leave your comments down below. Share your thought on this idea. I think we are gonna make it, and we eventually gonna see $100,000 on our balance. So take care guys, good luck on trading, bye bye.